Oh man, it's so beautiful out today. I love the plants and my waterfall and this fresh dirt and my beautiful trees and this bridge and my gazebo. Oh, it's so amazing. I only wish some people would visit more often. Well, sometimes Kevin comes over, but that's about it. Ugh, I hate being here. Why'd Mr. Freddy take us here? Whoa, what was that? Maybe there's some other people here. Ugh, I hate it here so much. It's so boring. There's just like leaves and dirt and water. Mr. Freddy ditched us. He didn't even want to go to this. I hate field trips. They suck so much. Bibi, I'm actually kind of concerned. We're missing 2 of my classmates, and I'm not quite sure where they could be. Yarg, mateys. I'm not quite sure where they could be either. They might be lost out here in the wilderness. Like, look at all this horrible stuff. It could eat you up and kill you. So watch out. You see, now my bunny probably just died. Nah, I'm just sleeping, y'all. I'm kinda tired from this field trip already. Ugh, ew, I hate being in this yucky place, and my phone won't even get any reception. It sucks out here. Where is even Teacher Freddy? He has to be here because we have to get back home somehow. I hate this so much. Oh, yes, Toy Chica. I also do hate school very, very much so. And I hate being out here. That's why I refuse to move, and I'm just going to sit right here. And no one will do anything about it. Because I hate field trips, and I hate school so much. Oh, guys, I think there is someone else out here with us. Just look over there. Oh, hello, I'm NatureBit. Oh, God, this is going to be horrible. Hey, there's some people. Come on, come over here. It'll be great. Oh, man, you guys were pretty far. What are you kids doing out here alone in the amazing, wonderful woods? Our dumb teacher, Mr. Freddy, made us come out here, and then he left, and now we're like stuck here or something. Well, you know, I have a pretty nice car if you want to use it. We could just drive it back home. Wait, what's that? Whoa, I think there's a wild animal here, guys. Look around. He could be anywhere. Okay, I'm back. Where are you, little guy? Oh, there! Come on, it's okay. I won't hurt you. It's fine. We're out here together. Are you just enjoying the water? Do you need a drink? Okay, that's fine. Well, I can just here. Let me get you some food. There you go. Here, just come and eat it. Ow! Don't. Ow! That really hurts. Okay, where is he? I don't see him anywhere. Look. Where is he? I can't find him anywhere. Oh, there he is. Come on, little buddy. I'll save you. Just grab my hand. It's okay. It'll be okay. Come on. Oh, I got you. Are you okay? Oh, I think I need to give him CPR mouth to mouth. Oh, it's okay, little guy. I'm just your friend. I'm not here to hurt you. Oh God, that was horrible. Oh, we almost died because that dumb nature bit. Okay, boss. Boss, come in. Yeah, what is it? Okay, I saw your son, Neon Cupcake. Really? That's great. I think we're breaking up. No, boss, the reception here is horrible. Okay, don't worry. I'll get him for you soon. Me and the rest of the Beanie Boos will work together and capture him.